If you have mature skin and your blush is making your face look droopy or downturned, that's easier to fix than you might think. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If we haven't met, I'm 58, and you can find me over on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. I'm sharing tips over there all the time for mature skin. Today, we're going to talk about blush. If your blush is making your face look droopy, it's not a product problem, it's a placement problem. And we're going to fix this super quickly today. And I'm going to use one of my very favorite affordable blush palettes from Morphe. This blush palette has a cream, a balm, and a powder in it. Just for simplicity's sake, we're not going to use the one in the middle, which is a balm. Everything that I'm using, you can find below this video in the description. Click that. And for the cream, I'm going to use this really dense brush from BK Beauty. I'm going to start with the cream. We were always told to do this. Smile and put our blush right there on the apples of the cheeks. When you do that and you stop smiling, it falls. We didn't have that problem in our 20s, our 30s, but now everything is falling. So we need to aim higher. What I want you to do is imagine that there's an imaginary horizontal line across your face about where the tip of your nose is. We're going to keep everything above this line, basically closer to the temple and our eyes. So look how far this blush is below that imaginary horizontal line. Since we're going for that elongated, lifted look, I'm going to keep this blush in this area right here for now. So we're going to keep it above this imaginary line, but also see the point where the middle of your eye is? We're also going to keep it from here on over. So we're not getting close to the nose. Do you see that I'm aiming up? Since that's what we're going for, is that lifted look, I want to aim in that direction. We get that downturned look, even if it's by accident, by putting it in the right place, but by stroking the brush in a downward motion. Well, what do you think? Were those tips helpful? Even I'm surprised looking at it up close how much this side is really dragging my face down. It just looks so much more droopy on this side. If this was helpful, let me know down in the comments. I hope you'll like and subscribe. And if you want to see more super simple makeup tips perfect for our mature skin, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.